The iPhone 16 Pro Max is shaping up to be one of Apple's most anticipated releases, with a lot of leaks and rumors surfacing as we approach the official launch. From cutting-edge display technology to innovative camera enhancements, the iPhone 16 Pro Max promises to set new benchmarks in the smartphone industry. Let's dive into the most intriguing leaks and features that have been making the rounds, each adding to the excitement surrounding this flagship device. One of the most talked about aspects of the iPhone 16 Pro Max is its display, which is rumored to feature the largest screen ever on an iPhone at 6.9 inches. However, what makes this large screen even more impressive is the claim that Apple has managed to reduce the bezels significantly, creating a more immersive viewing experience without making the phone itself much larger. According to a leak by Apple Hub, shared on their platform, the iPhone 16 Pro Max will sport bezels as thin as 1.15 millimeters, compared to the 1.55 millimeters bezels on the current iPhone 15 Pro Max. The smaller bezels will not only contribute to a sleeker, more modern appearance, but also enhance the overall ergonomics of the device, potentially making it easier to hold and use with one hand despite its larger screen size. In addition to the design tweaks, Apple appears to be expanding its color palette with the iPhone 16 Pro Max, introducing a new coffee colorway that has already sparked considerable interest among tech enthusiasts. This leak comes from tech blogger Mquan, who shared the details on Twitter. According to a video teaser leaked by a Dubai-based retailer, this new coffee colorway features a rich brown finish that exudes luxury and sophistication. The introduction of this colorway marks a departure from the more traditional color options Apple has offered in the past, such as the usual silver, graphite, and gold. The coffee colorway is expected to appeal to users looking for a more unique and distinguished look for their device. Furthermore, the teaser also hints at potential design tweaks to the camera system, where the camera island might feature a two-tone finish. Specifically, the camera lenses could sport a circular silver ring, while the outer frame retains a square brown ring, adding an extra layer of visual interest and contrast to the device's design. Alongside the coffee colorway, in a leaked video, we get a short glimpse of an alleged iPhone 16 Pro Max dummy unit in the rumored Desert Titanium colorway. While previous leaks suggested it would have a gold tint, the dummy handset appears to lean more towards a brown finish. Similar to previous Pro models, it also features a matte textured back panel with a chrome finish on the side rails. The Desert Titanium colorway, as the name suggests, is expected to offer a matte-textured back panel with a soft desert-inspired hue that leans towards brown rather than the usual gold. Perhaps the most exciting and groundbreaking leak surrounding the iPhone 16 Pro Max is its rumored camera system. According to a report, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is set to feature a mind-blowing 100x zoom AI camera. This camera system is expected to revolutionize mobile photography, offering users the ability to capture incredibly detailed images even from great distances. The 100x zoom capability, powered by advanced artificial intelligence, will likely be one of the most significant upgrades to the iPhone's camera system. This feature is anticipated to combine both optical and digital zoom, with AI enhancing image clarity and reducing noise, even in challenging lighting conditions. The camera system is also expected to include a 12-megapixel telephoto lens, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 300mm focal-length camera, all of which will work in tandem to deliver an unparalleled photography experience. In addition to the impressive zoom capabilities, the AI integration within iOS 18 is expected to bring advanced editing options and automatic adjustments, making it easier for users to capture professional quality photos with minimal effort. This innovation could set the iPhone 16 Pro Max apart from its competitors, particularly in the realm of smartphone photography, where Apple has consistently been a leader. With all these exciting features and leaks, the anticipation for the iPhone 16 Pro Max is at an all-time high. According to various reports, the iPhone 16 series is expected to be officially unveiled at Apple's event on September 10th, 2024. Pre-orders are rumored to begin shortly after, on September 13th, with the phones likely hitting the shelves on September 20th. As for pricing, while specific details remain scarce, it's expected that the iPhone 16 Pro Max will start around $1,100 for the base model, with higher storage options potentially pushing the price significantly higher. This pricing aligns with Apple's usual strategy for its Pro Max models, which cater to users looking for the most advanced features and are willing to pay a premium for them. As we await the official launch, what iPhone 16 Pro Max feature excites you the most? Let us know your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.